Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. So if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. It's been quite long that I haven't been active on YouTube. I was active on Instagram but not here. My last video was also related to the monthly muse and this again. So sorry, I'm hoping after this I'll be as consistent as I was before. Coming back to the topic, for those who are new here, let me explain what this monthly muse is all about. It's the series that I started from January. Whatever the product I will use in that particular month and it really worked for me, I am gonna share in this video. So yeah, welcome back to the second episode of Monthly Muse February edition. The very first product that I wanted to talk about is a sunscreen. I don't know about other location, but इंदौर में मुझे लगता है ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा ही पहले इतनी गर्मी आ चुकी है that I cannot do without a sunscreen. For a sunscreen, my requirements are it should be lightweight, it should not give me those ganda sa white cast, and it should not burn my skin. Please congratulate me, I found the perfect solution and I am talking about this Wishcare sunscreen. This is their Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen Ultra Light. Same इसका जो blue and green में जो एक variant आता है, मैं पहले वो use कर रही थी. That also worked wonders for me. And then I wanted to switch, ठीक है, and this says a pure glow. So like, why not try this one? And I am absolutely loving it. It has SPF 50 plus, brightens and protect your skin. This has a complete water-like structure. See, I just love it. और ये इतना जल्दी आपके स्किन में absorb हो जाता है and it truly gives you that glow. And one more reason why I included this product in this monthly Muse series, because मैंने इसका एक खत्म करके दूसरा खरीद लिया, तो you know how crazy I am for this particular sunscreen. Next product is again related to my skin. Few days back I have some major skin breakdowns. मतलब मेरा स्किन में कभी भी इतना ज़्यादा मुझे इश्यूज नहीं आए हैं by God grace, but यहाँ पर मुझे पिंपल एंड यहाँ पर पिंपल एंड आई डोंट नो इस बार क्यों उसने बहुत एकदम एक जिद्दी दाग छोड़ दिया था मेरे स्किन पर. एंड देन आई came across this L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Dark Spot Brightening Serum. It has Millicil. इसे एक्चुअली मैंने नायका की सेल पर परचेस किया था. एट टाइम पर मुझे लग नहीं रहा था दैट आई नीडेड. यहाँ पर एंड यहाँ पर आई हैव सबसे खराब दाग और वो बहुत गंदा दिख रहा था. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट रेगुलरली फॉर लाइक 1.5 week एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, यहाँ का तो स्पॉट इज ऑलमोस्ट इनविजिबल एंड यहाँ का थोड़ा है जो कि थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर ये भी निकल जाएगा. टोटली गेट इट व्हाट्स द फज इज ऑल अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड द मेडिसिन इन इट truly works. So if you are also someone जिसे breakdowns बहुत easily हो जाता है and you have those acnes जिनका ना stains और marks रह जाता है, तो try this one. I have made a list of everything that I wanted to talk about in this series, so I'm just picking up the product randomly. I'm so much into accessories these days. This is my grandmother's ring, so I'm loving it. ये तो मैंने ऐसे शौक में पहन लिया, and this bracelet and watch. अगर कोई मुझे स्कूल टाइम से जानता है तो they will know that I was sucker for rings. अभी वो जो इग्नाइट हो रहा है मुझे वापस से वो वाला शो, तो मैंने वापस अपने लिए कुछ रिंग्स खरीदी है. वेट लेट मी शो यू बाय वेयरिंग इट. ये मैंने आई गेस 4 रिंग का सेट खरीदा था. अब मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा किस में आया था, मैं सब ऐसा रैंडमली पहन के बता रही हूँ आपको. Can you all see these ring stack? I know मैंने इसे बहुत weird तरीके से पहना है, but you get the gist. If you also want to fill your vanity with these rings, then make sure to check the description box. I'll link them below. So it better be anti-tarnished one because I have such high hopes with them. The next product that I wanted to talk about is related to body care. Now it's about all summers. You are gonna get all sweaty and अजीब सा होने वाला है सब चीज़ें. तो I have a perfect solution to feel fresh. I am talking about this Plum Body Loving Deodorant Roll-On. I know I have been raving about this product in one or other of my videos, but आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर अभी तक भी आपने यूज करके नहीं देखा है तो डू गिव दिस अ शॉट, सिंस इट्स समर, इट्स ऑल अबाउट वनीला एंड दिस इज योर साइन, राइट? बिकॉज इट हैज वाटर लाइक टेक्सचर और इस समर्स में आई डोंट वांट एनी चिप चिप और समथिंग, तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं हमेशा इसे यूज करूँ एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू I do get a lot of compliment. Again, from the body care category, we have, I will say, two of the product. My friend recently visited or recently came back from Australia, so he got me two products from Bath and Body Works, and I am absolutely loving every single drop of it. The first product that I wanted to talk about from Bath and Body Works is this lotion. First of all, can we just take a moment and admire the packaging? It's like, it's everything a girl wanted. It is their Bath and Body Works Bahama Passion Fruit and Banana Flower Body Lotion. I am telling you, just this much drop gives you immense amount of fragrance. If you want to go a little over budget with your, body care, then do give this one a shot. I always try to make sure that I will gonna use it on my best days. Recently I have been invited to my first ever event and I just leather my body with this lotion because I wanted to smell good. Again, from Bath and Body Works, we have another perfume mist. Bath and Body Works is famous for their fragrances. It is their butterfly body mist. This is how the packaging actually looks like. It's all purpley, girly, butterfly everywhere. I have one last product from the self-care or skincare category. Then we will move on to another product. I invested in this Cetaphil ka cleanser and I am telling you, it's just worth every single penny. पहले तो मैंने ये छोटा साइज इसका ऑर्डर किया था, just wanted to see कि ये मेरे स्किन पर वर्क करता है नहीं, एंड इट एब्सोल्युटली डज वर्क ऑन माई स्किन. जब भी खत्म होने वाला है मैं इसके बाद इसका बड़ा साइज में ऑर्डर करूंगी बिकॉज आई नो आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ यूजिंग इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर रन. व्हेन आई यूज दिस फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, I was not expecting such good result. So if you are also trying to figure out or make a small vanity for yourself, just do give this Cetaphil a try. Everything related to the body care and skincare is all done. Let's move on to other categories. First, that product I wanted to talk about is a pair of shoes. Before showing you all the product, let me give you a little bit of context. आई हैव ब्रॉड फीट. नेक्स्ट, जब मैं छोटी थी उस टाइम पर मेरे पैर पर मुझे दस्त आके आए थे जस्ट बिकॉज कांच घुस गया था उसमें. एंड उसके बाद अभी मैं जब भी अगर ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक खड़े रहती हूँ या फिर चल रही होती हूँ तो आई गेट सम मेजर पेन. वेंट टू जूडियो ऑन माई बर्थडे और आई सॉ वन बैले शूज़. आई लव्ड इट इंस्टेंटली, बट मेरे माइंड में सिर्फ ये था, इट वॉज नॉट दैट चीप. अगर मैं उसे खरीद लेती हूँ और वो मुझे कंफर्टेबल नहीं होंगे विद ऑल दिस वॉकिंग, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे दुख होने वाला है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू ऑल, that was not at all uncomfortable. I'm talking about these ones. Now that I got this, it has this yellow detailing और मैं इसके साथ ना अभी कुछ टाइम से चल रही हूँ and I just love it. And I've also seen some Pinterest girly rocking their ballet shoes. They absolutely loved it for their all these walking things. So I was like, why not? Let me also try it out. Coming back to the next product that I have been obsessed over lately is अ बॉडी शेपर. कुछ टाइम से अपने फैमिली में और फ्रेंड्स में हमेशा कह रही हूँ कि यार आई हैव गेन सम वेट, मुझे मेरी फेवरेट जीन्स फिट नहीं आ रही है, मुझे ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये मेरा फेवरेट टॉप मुझे गंदा लग रहा है, आई हैव नथिंग टू वेयर, आई एम लिटरली वेयरिंग सम लूज क्लोथ्स क्योंकि मुझे कुछ भी चीज़ अच्छा लग नहीं रहा है अपने बॉडी पे. बट आफ्टर आई एम वेयरिंग दिस बॉडी शेपर, इट जस्ट ब्यूटिफुली enhance all my curves and जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा चर्बी है, एक्स्ट्रा स्किन है, उसे एकदम टाइट कर देता है. सो आई गेट अ रियली नाइस बॉडी शेप which is the whole purpose of this product. I actually got this from a local shop. I don't remember the name. If you are also someone who's just dealing with their stomach or love handle areas, then give this body shaper a try. बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि हम हमारी फेवरेट चीज़ें पहन नहीं पाते just because we have this thing कि यार मैं बॉडी कॉन ड्रेस नहीं पहन सकती, मेरा थोड़ा सा टोन दिखने वाला है, यार मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मुझे साइड से दिखने वाला है, it will get too much uncomfortable. But no honey, you don't have to worry about this after a good body shape. This really helped me with all the result of my non-stop eating of chap, naan and whatnot. The next product that I wanted to talk about is a bag. If you know me at all, then you should know that I love to collect bags. My collection is going quite great. So I wanted to show just one of them that I have been obsessed in this February month. I was just scrolling through Savannah. Got this bag. This has such furry pink baby pink material. I wish इसका ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा क्वालिटी का निकले, और अगर नहीं भी निकलता है तो I'll do something DIY with this. Let's quickly jump to the next product because I can't wait to show you all the next product. Recently on Pinterest and on Instagram, I have been seeing girls carrying a particular kind of bag. So I was just contemplating, but that was on my wish list for quite long. Found a dupe on Zudio. Can't believe it. I am talking about this bag. I absolutely adore. इसका जो लेदर है, आई डोंट नो ये क्या मटेरियल है, एकदम वैसी चीज लग रही है मुझे. हैंडल विथ केयर, आई एम फ्रेजाइल. इट्स एक्चुअली कॉपी ऑफ द ब्रांड लॉन्गचैम्प. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग द नेम करेक्टली और नॉट, बट या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. दे हैव अदर कलर ऑप्शन एज वेल. उनके पास ब्लैक भी था, बट आई वाज लाइक कि नो, आई डोंट वांट ब्लैक. मेरे पास इस कलर पैलेट में कुछ था भी नहीं, तो आई वाज लाइक कि आई विल गना टेक इट. इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद दिस स्लिंग इन इट, बट आई डोंट सी माई सेल्फ कैरिंग इट विद दिस स्लिंग. एज बैड एज आई वॉन्ट पीपल टू अज्यूम दैट आई गॉट द ओरिजिनल बैग, if you see me next time carrying this bag, you know right where I got it from. There was actually everything related to fashion, skincare, makeup, everything. Now let's move on to my favorite part, that is entertainment. Lately I've realized that I am one of those kind of people who just don't want to experiment with their kind of content that they consume, and the idea of watching new series and everything new just scares me. I don't know why. I also wanted to get out of my comfort zone a little bit, so for the sake of this video I have 5 to 6 some old and new YouTube channel recommendation for you all that I want you to just binge watch and enjoy, because I enjoy it. First YouTube channel that I want to recommend you all is by the name Let's Talk. This channel will actually gonna help you out with improving your English communication. Before my 12th grade, I spent the whole summer just binge watching their YouTube. They will provide you words that you need to know the meaning of. They will tell you how to use it. They will tell everything. They will correct your grammar. If you or someone want to improve their English, just make sure to check this page out at least once, because I have always been that person who is just very obsessed or keen to know new words, what's new in English, like everything. So I thought just love it. It's kind of like Disneyland for me. Now let's move on to something a little more entertaining. I just love watching vlogs of my favorite YouTuber, and now that I've entered in my this feminine era, I love this YouTuber. Her name is Gigi. Her vlogs are so Pinterest coded. I can't tell you all how she made me fall in love with this pink pastels and white. She does DIY. She will tell you how to upgrade your outfit. She has wonderful vlogs. She all in all just mastered the art of romanticizing everything. Now there are also days when I just don't feel like getting things done. I feel super unproductive. I don't know how to get out of my bed. That's normal, I'll say. I always go for 2 YouTuber, and they are my absolute go-to. First I'll say Tamcore. She's evergreen, right? And another page that I recently discovered is by Brianna Gomez. They both are doing podcasts. Even Tamcore's vlogs are also productive. Watching her doing her thing, minding her own business, just I don't know how it just derive you from being lethargic to just get things done. But for Brianna Gomez, she talks about everything, like if you have lack of confidence, not having good terms with your female friends, are feeling unproductive, if you feel like you are having no self-respect, she has something to say about every topic, and I will say she just kills it. 2 pages are my absolute go-to when I just need some motivation. More importantly, I'll say since both of them are female, so our thought process is also kind of like same. So I feel like that I am listening to my bestie talking. Very last piece of content that I want to recommend it to you all is a Netflix series, and I am talking about Friends. I know some people have this thing that no, Friends is so overrated series, but no. As for me, I'll say it just shows this 9 to 10 year journey of six particular or six individual people. In my opinion, once you are into this Friends series, there's no, absolutely no going back. Still play any episode of Friends while eating food or doing my random work, and it just gives me comfort. Apart from this piece of content, if I'll see Friends, then each and every episode has, you know, a piece of learning that I can take from that episode. Everything revolves around your life that is just sucks, that is a reality check, but you need to accept that gracefully. This is how I feel Friends is. And I also think that if you haven't seen Friends yet, you need to definitely check that out. You will just get a perspective of life. Yeah, that was everything related to my monthly muse series February edition. I didn't think that I will gonna make it through, but yeah, we did it because फैब में मैंने इतना ज़्यादा शॉपिंग किया नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया नहीं है. दीज आर एवरीथिंग दैट आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, चलो यूज़ कर लेते हैं. एंड देन उसके बाद आई फाउंड सम रियली गुड रिजल्ट्स एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाई नॉट add this to my series. Nothing in this video was sponsored, so these are my honest review. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will also make sure that I will be as consistent as I was before, because I also miss YouTube. And so that I am signing off, but before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part and the product that you want me to try for my March edition, and share this video to your friends and family. Ask them to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you super soon in my next one. Bye.